Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix blurry images in WooCommerce WordPress. If you've been struggling with product images that look pixelated or unclear on your online store, this straightforward process will help you adjust your media settings to ensure your images display crisp and professional. Let's jump right in and get those images looking sharp. First, open up your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. Once you're on the page, sign into your account if you haven't already. This step is essential as you'll need access to your WordPress dashboard to make the necessary changes to your media settings. Make sure you're using the correct credentials associated with your WooCommerce site. After signing in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. From here, direct your attention to the left navigation menu where you'll find various options for managing your site. Look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This will expand a submenu with several configuration choices. From these options, click on Media. The Media Settings section is where WordPress controls how images are processed and displayed across your site, including your WooCommerce product images. Once you're in the Media Settings page, the process becomes pretty straightforward. You'll be presented with 3 different pixel size options for thumbnail, medium, and large size images. These settings establish the guidelines for your image upload sizes and directly impact how clear your images appear on your storefront. What's happening here is that WordPress automatically resizes uploaded images to fit these dimensions. If your current settings are too small, your images will appear blurry or stretched when displayed at larger sizes on your product pages. You can adjust these parameters by increasing the maximum height and width values to match the quality you need for your store. For WooCommerce stores, it's often recommended to use higher values to maintain image clarity, especially for product photos that customers will want to examine closely. Take your time to find the right balance between image quality and file size that works for your specific needs. After you've made the required adjustments to your image dimensions, scroll down and click on Save Changes. This will apply your new settings to future image uploads. Keep in mind that these changes won't automatically affect images you've already uploaded, but any new product images you add will now follow these improved size guidelines, resulting in much sharper, clearer visuals for your customers. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted your media settings to fix blurry images in WooCommerce WordPress. Your product photos should now display with much better clarity and professionalism. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.